In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneNote from pasting source links. If you've ever been frustrated by those pesky source links that automatically appear when you paste content from the web into OneNote, you're not alone. This quick tutorial will help you customize OneNote to better fit your personal preferences and eliminate the extra clutter that can come with pasted web content. First, let's begin by opening OneNote on your computer. You'll want to make sure that you have the program up and running so that you can follow along with these instructions in real time. Once OneNote is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking File, a menu will appear. At the very bottom of this menu, you'll find the Options button. Click on Options to bring up the OneNote Options dialog box. This is essentially the hub for all of your customization needs within OneNote. It's where you can tweak various settings to enhance your user experience. Now that you have the OneNote Options dialog box in front of you, direct your attention to the left pane. You'll see a collection of different categories listed there. You're going to want to click on Advanced. Selecting this category will reveal a series of settings related to editing and other advanced options within OneNote. Once you're on the Advanced page, scroll down slightly until you find the Editing section. Here, OneNote provides a number of features designed to assist with crafting notes more efficiently, but right now, we're focused on disabling the automatic pasting of source links. Look closely at this section, and you'll see a checkbox that says Include link to source when pasting from web. By default, this box is checked, which is why those source links keep appearing in your notes. To change this, simply uncheck the box. By doing so, you're telling OneNote that you no longer want those source links to appear every time you paste something from the web. Once you have unchecked the box, don't forget to click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. Clicking OK will save your changes and apply this new setting immediately. It's always a good practice to confirm your preferences in this way, avoiding any confusion or missed steps. And there you have it. Disable those unwanted source links in OneNote with just a few simple clicks. Following these steps will give you a cleaner, more streamlined note-taking experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your own thoughts and ideas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.